Hello student, myself Professor Anjali Patel from Rockwell BBA College, Vapi. Our subject Entrepreneurship Development with respect to semester 5 in your TY BBA. In previous video, we have learned about the Institute in Aid of Entrepreneurship. That is, we are learning the various institute for the entrepreneurship development. In that, we have learned about the first, that is Entrepreneurship Development Institute of India. Today, we will learn about the SIDBI, that is Small Industrial Development Bank of India. One by one, every institute will be covered in the video and even in our live section. Institute in Aid of Entrepreneurship is nothing but the various institute being developed for the entrepreneurship development will be covered in this topic. Now, in yesterday video, we have learned about the Entrepreneurship Development Institute of India. The brief idea will be again we explain in this video. We have learned that the Entrepreneurship Development Institute of India is a non-profit organization. Is a non-profit organization dedicated to promote the entrepreneurship, development in our which is being situated in Ahmedabad in the Gujarat state. Next, it was founded in the year 1983 with the sponsorship of the Industrial Development Bank of India and even that is IDBI. Next was the Industrial Finance Corporation of India, that is IFCI. The Industrial Credit Investment Corporation of India, that is ICICI, and the State Bank of India. Matlab, various financial institute has been sponsored for this Entrepreneurship Development Institute of India, and it was founded in the year 1983. Now the next one, that EDI runs a range of education program. बहुत सारे एजुकेशन प्रोग्राम रन करते हैं. डिप्लोमा कोर्स होते हैं, उसके बाद MBA कोर्स होते हैं, PGDM कोर्स होते हैं, जहाँ पे वेरियस एजुकेशन प्रोग्राम से वो लोग अपने एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप के बारे में अवेयरनेस देते हैं. Then the Entrepreneurship Development Institute of India has set up state level exclusive entrepreneurship development center and institute across the country. That was a main being held to various state level for entrepreneurship development center and institute across the country, so that entrepreneurship development can be developed in each and every country, and plus entrepreneurship के बारे में awareness spread हो, इसलिए various entrepreneurship development centers start किए थे. The 12 state level exclusive entrepreneurship development center was started. One of the most achievement factor is that entrepreneurship should be exposed to a large number of school, college, science and technology institute, so that our entrepreneur के बारे में वो पहले से जान जाए और उसके बारे में अवेयरनेस स्प्रेड हो. तो स्कूल में ही एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप के बारे में लर्निंग होनी चाहिए. कॉलेज में एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप के बारे में आपको एटलीस्ट अवेयरनेस होनी चाहिए कि हाउ यू कैन बिकम एन एंटरप्रेन्योर. एंड टेक्नोलॉजी इंस्टीट्यूट एंड मैनेजमेंट स्कूल में भी बहुत सारे एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप के बारे में नॉलेज स्प्रेड होनी चाहिए. यहाँ पे एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप डेवलपमेंट इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंडिया में क्या मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग होता है कि एंटरप्रेन्योर्स आर मोस्टली वेलकम एंड दे हैव बीन ट्रेन. ठीक है, हर एक एंटरप्रेन्योर को वेलकम किया जाता है और हर एक एंटरप्रेन्योर को ट्रेन दिया जाता है एज पर द करंट इंडस्ट्रियल सिनेरियो. दे बिल्ड कॉन्फिडेंस अमॉन्ग द एंटरप्रेन्योर थ्रू एंटरप्रेन्योर लैब, idea lab, and even the industry interviews, and even also exposed towards the practical knowledge. So this was the order of Entrepreneurship Development Institute of India, which have already been learned in the previous video. Now, what was the function of the Entrepreneurship Development Institute of India? The first function was it was developing a knowledge in theory. It was developing a knowledge in theory and practical by it was developing a theory and knowledge in entrepreneur related to entrepreneur by developing a various entrepreneur activity. Okay. Then it was creating a self-employment. If you will become an entrepreneur, it will be a self-employment. So it will creating a effect of an opportunity for the self-employment. Then it was increasing spirit of entrepreneurship in the youth. That is the main intention, to have entrepreneurship development in each and every state and in each country. And then the main purpose is to promote the micro enterprise at the rural area, so the rural entrepreneurship can also be developed. That was the function. Speed आपका increase हो रहा है because this topic is already being explained in the video, and again we will cover in the live section. This was the function about the Entrepreneurship Development Institute of India. The course being conducted in EDI is your doctoral level program, PGDM BE level, PGDM development study, open learning program in entrepreneurship, and MBA course. This is for the knowledge purpose. You don't have to add in your written portion by writing your question. This is the general knowledge which are the course being conducted at EDI. So this was about your EDI, which we have already been learned. Today we will learn about the small industrial development Bank of India, a small industrial development bank of India. Now, one by one, we will learn each and every point. The first point, SIDBI was set up by the government of India under the Special Act passed by the Parliament in October 1989. In October 1989, what was the first thing you need to remember? SIDBI was set up by the government of India under the Special Act passed by the Parliament in October 1989. So, SIDBI has been starting the work since April 2 1990. उसने अपना ऑपरेशन कब से स्टार्ट किया? फ्रॉम द ईयर 1990. स्पेशल एक्ट के हिसाब से पार्लियामेंट के थ्रू उसने सेटअप स्टार्ट किया बाय द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया अंडर स्पेशल एक्ट, बट उसका ऑपरेशन स्टार्ट हुआ इन ऑन अप्रैल 2 इन द ईयर 1990. नाउ सिडबी का जो हेड क्वार्टर है इट वाज सिचुएटेड एट लखनऊ. ठीक है, इट हैव 5 रीजनल ऑफिस, 5 zones and 21 branch office when it was started in different parts of India, but now SIDBI has 73 branches, 5 regional office across the country. अगेन आई बीइंग रिपीटेड, सिडबी का हेडक्वार्टर लखनऊ में है. उस टाइम उसके पास 5 रीजनल ऑफिस था, 5 जोन था, 21 ब्रांच ऑफिस था जब उसने स्टार्ट किया. बट जैसे सिडबी स्प्रेड हो रहा है अभी के हिसाब से अभी के हिसाब से दे आर हैविंग 73 ब्रांचेस, 5 रीजनल ऑफिस अक्रॉस द कंट्री. सो इतना याद रखना है कि सिडबी का हेडक्वार्टर कहाँ पे है और अभी के हिसाब से उसके पास कितने ब्रांचेस है. तो 73 ब्रांचेस है और 5 रीजनल ऑफिस है. आफ्टर सिडबी being started, ठीक है, the main duty related to small scale enterprise which are performed by IDBI. ठीक है, पहले ये सारी चीज स्मॉल इंडस्ट्री डेवलपमेंट का जो भी डेवलपमेंट था वो कौन कर रहा था? IDBI कर रहा है. पर जैसे सिडबी ने अपना स्टार्ट हुआ तो सारा जो स्मॉल स्केल एंटरप्राइज को डेवलपमेंट के रिलेटेड जो ड्यूटी एक्टिविटी थी वो सारी चीज शिफ्टेड हो गई सिडबी को, दैट इज स्मॉल इंडस्ट्री डेवलपमेंट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया. नाउ सिडबी इज योर प्राइमरी फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूट फॉर प्रमोटिंग योर माइक्रो स्मॉल मीडियम एंटरप्राइज. यहाँ पे सिडबी क्या कर रहा है? सिडबी इज द प्राइमरी फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूट, इज एक्टिंग एज वन ऑफ द फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूट, acting as a financial institute where he is to promote, develop and finance the micro, small and medium enterprise. promote तो कर रहा है but finance भी कर रहा है and साथ में उसको डेवलप भी कर रहा है. किसको डेवलप कर रहा है, किसको प्रमोट कर रहा है, किसको यहाँ पे प्रमोशन हो रहा है? ही इज promoting, SIDBI is promoting, is a primary financial institute where he used to promote it, develop it and finance it to micro, small, medium enterprise. यहाँ पे a SIDBI, that is bank, provide a service scheme and also offer the financial service and product. Now let us understand what is a SIDBI primary financial institute function. Now SIDBI is the primary financial institution for promoting, developing and financing the micro, small, medium enterprise sector. SIDBI help micro, small, medium enterprise in acquiring the funds they require to grow, market, develop them in marketing area, and even in a technology and innovative product application. Now, SIDBI का ये मेन काम करना है कि माइक्रो स्मॉल मीडियम एंटरप्राइज को वो हेल्प करते हैं, जिसे कितना फंड एक्वायर करना है माइक्रो स्मॉल मीडियम एंटरप्राइज, उसके साथ उसको मार्केट कौन सा कवर करना चाहिए, कैसे उसको डेवलप करना होगा माइक्रो स्मॉल मीडियम एंटरप्राइज, और कैसे टेक्नोलॉजी और इनोवेटिव प्रोडक्ट वो इनोवेटिव प्रोडक्ट को कमर्शियलाइज कर सकते हैं, उसके बारे में वो हेल्प करता है. दैट इज योर SIDBI हेल्प माइक्रो स्मॉल मीडियम एंटरप्राइज इन एक्वायरिंग द फंड्स रिक्वायर्ड टू ग्रो, they require to in acquiring the funds required to grow and even market the develop. SIDBI even provide the service schemes and also offer the financial service and product to micro, small, medium enterprise. So first of all, you need to remember SIDBI was set up by the government of India under the Act of under the special act passed by parliament. SIDBI began its operation. Its operation उसने start किया था अप्रैल 2 1990 में. हेडक्वार्टर सिचुएटेड है लखनऊ में. अभी उसके 73 ब्रांचेस हैं and 5 regional office है across the country. SIDBI का primary financial institute है for promoting the micro, small, medium enterprise and developing the micro, small, medium enterprise and even financing the micro, small, medium enterprise. Even this bank provides a service scheme and also offer financial service and product to micro, small, medium enterprise. Now let's move towards its finance facility offered by SIDBI. First one is direct finance, second is indirect finance, and third is microfinance. Now what is mean by direct finance? Direct finance where SIDBI offer working capital, term loan, and even foreign currency loan support against the receivable and equity support. यहाँ पे सिडबी ऑफर करती है वर्किंग कैपिटल फाइनेंस, टर्म लोन एंड फॉरेन करेंसी लोन टू माइक्रो स्मॉल मीडियम एंटरप्राइज अगेंस्ट द रिसीवेबल्स एंड इक्विटी सपोर्ट दे हैव. इनडायरेक्ट फाइनेंस से कैसे हेल्प करती है? सिडबी ऑफर इनडायरेक्टली फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट बाय प्रोवाइडिंग रीफाइनेंस लोन, दैट इज अ प्राइम रीफाइनेंस लोन ऑफर करती है थ्रू PLI, that is Primary Lending Institute. Even state level financing institutes से भी indirect finance provide करती है across the country. The main motive for indirect finance is to enable the flow of credit to micro, small, medium enterprise. Directly they offer नहीं करती है, but through certain financial institutes से वो अपना finance provide करती है micro, small, medium enterprise. And third is your microfinance. Microfinance is nothing but providing microfinance to small businessmen and entrepreneurs for starting their business. That is your small amount of finance being provided to those entrepreneurs who want to start their business. So main finance facility offered by SIDBI is that direct finance, where SIDBI only directly being involved and offer the working capital finance, term loan finance, and even foreign currency loan against the receivable and equity support. Indirect finance है through financial institute अपने वो refinance loan offer करती है through primary lending institute. And micro finance है वो small business and entrepreneur who want to start their business उसको micro finance way में वो money provide करती है. That is your finance facility offered by SIDBI. After that, what are the functions being performed by SIDBI? The SIDBI first function is that it offer refinance loan through that are extended. SIDBI refinance loan that are extended by Primary Lending Institute to small scale industry unit. That means he provide a refinance loan to small industry by Primary Lending Institute by acting as a Primary Lending Institute. It discount and rediscount the bill. That is also the main function performed by SIDBI. It help in expanding the marketing channel for the product of the small scale industry sector in the both in the domestic as well as international market. मार्केटिंग को कैसे एक्सपांड करना है इन योर स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्री सेक्टर डोमेस्टिक वाइज एंड इंटरनेशनल मार्केट में, कैसे आपको अपना प्रोडक्ट को प्रमोट करना है, कैसे अपने मार्केट को एक्सपांड करना है, उससे भी सिडबी हेल्प करती है. उसके बाद इट ऑफर द सर्विस लाइक फैक्टरिंग एंड लीजिंग. फैक्टरिंग सर्विस आपको फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट सब्जेक्ट में ऑलरेडी समझाया है, एंड इवन लीजिंग. So it offer like factoring and leasing service also being function being activity performed by SIDBI. It promote the employment oriented industry by promoting industry, and in automatically it promote the employment generation. So it promote employment oriented industry particularly in semi urban area for creating employment opportunity. It initiate the modernization and technology upgradation as per the consumer taste and preference change and as per the technology change. There is a timely flow of credit. It also enables a timely flow of credit for working capital as well as the term loan to small scale industry in cooperation with a commercial bank. So these are the functions being performed by SIDBI. Now what are the benefit of the SIDBI? The first is custom made. SIDBI policy loan as per the requirement of your business. If your requirement doesn't fall in the ordinary or usual category, then SIDBI would assist the funding you in the right way. कस्टम में मतलब कस्टमर के हिसाब से वो कितने फाइनेंस के रिक्वायरमेंट हो सकती है, उस हिसाब से वो फाइनेंस प्रोवाइड करती है. तो एज पर द रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ द कस्टमर द फाइनेंस आर बीइंग प्रोवाइडेड टू requirement as per the requirement of the customer. Dedicated side credit and loan are modified as per the size of the business. Business के size के हिसाब से credit और loan जो है वो modified किया जाता है, change किया जाता है. So micro small medium enterprise could avail different types of loan as per the customers जो suit हो रहा है उसके business के requirement के हिसाब से. Attractive interest rate, it has tie up with a server bank and financial institute world over and could offer the consistent and could offer the nominal interest rate. दैट मीन्स वेरियस फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूट के साथ और वेरियस बैंक के साथ उसका टाइप होता है, तो उससे अपना जो इंटरेस्ट रेट जो होता है वो नॉमिनल होता है. तो सिडबी हैज टाइप विद द वर्ल्ड बैंक एंड द जापान इंटरनेशनल कॉर्पोरेशन एजेंसी थ्रू विच दे आर ऑफरिंग एट लोन एट a nominal interest rate. The rate, it is a security free business. Personal could get up to INR 100 lakhs without providing the security. So business को loan मिल सकते हैं up to 100 lakhs without providing any safety, without providing any security. Capital growth, there is an increase in capital growth without tempering your ownership of the company. The entrepreneur could acquire the adequate capital for meeting their growth requirement. अपने बिजनेस को बढ़ाने के लिए, अपने बिजनेस को ग्रोथ बढ़ाने के लिए अपनी ओनरशिप को अफेक्ट किए वो अपना कैपिटल को ग्रोथ कर सकते हैं. There are various subsidy being provided by SIDBI which have a low interest rate and a comfortable term and could help the enterprise in making the business expand. So there are various subsidy being provided by SIDBI. And last, there is a lots of transparency among the transaction and even the rate which are being involved in loan. So there is a no hidden charges involved by SIDBI. So these are the benefit of your SIDBI.